Ready once again. And the race is on. Scout Ranger, Knockout Babe from the outside is South Pearl. Rushing up is London Dry alongside So It's You and Sing a Song is the early trailer. Number 1, Knockout Babe, followed now by London Dry. Scout Ranger rushing up from the outside is So It's You. Then comes South Pearl and Sing a Song. Passing the half-mile post, Knockout Babe, So It's You, London Dry. Scout Ranger is racing in fourth, Sing a Song. Taking the fifth shot and South Pearl. Rounding the far turn, Knockout Babe by a length and a half, So It's You, Scout Ranger. London Dry is running by Drell and Sing a Song. Inside the last 500, So It's You, Knockout Babe. London Dry is running by Drell, Scout Ranger, Sing a Song, South Pearl. As they race the final corner, So It's You, London Dry is running down on the inside. London Dry running down on the inside. And Scout Ranger, So It's You, Knockout Babe, Sing a Song. And nearing the finish line, London Dry by some 2 lengths. And finally, London Dry, the horse of Mr. Putz Puyat second. Sing a Song, Scout Ranger, close, So It's You, Knockout Babe, and South Pearl.